Good day, friends. I got my DJI Neo on WrapGrade. WrapGrade is a DIY wrapping skin sticker which is cut exclusively for DJI Neo drone. Almost all of the plastic parts of the drone will be covered and look like got painted. But it's actually high-grade original wrapping stickers, which is made by brand name WrapGrade of Japan. The beauty and advantage of this having it in bright orange, aside from aesthetic, is that it would hopefully a deterrence to swooping aggressive birds such as magpies, and also we can easily find it if it crash lands to grassy or thick vegetation due to its bright orange color. Okay, I'll show you on how to wrap the Neo. First, we will wipe sparingly isopropyl alcohol the surface of the drone. Just make sure you avoid wiping the camera, the motors and battery compartment and its power contact points. We will also include the battery, but avoid wiping the contact points. We should also avoid application of isopropyl alcohol at a downward vision system and infrared sensors for stability, which are located at the bottom of the drone. It's a big help to read through the instructional illustrations to get things done accordingly as per drone parts. The purpose of wiping the surface of the drone is get a good adhesion of the stickers, but we should also properly wash our hands and dry before starting the whole process. We should ensure our fingertips are clean and free of grease, dirt, or dust, as these can stick to the adhesive side of the stickers and reduce their effectiveness. This can shorten the lifespan of the adhesion to the drone's surface. Additionally, any uneven surfaces or wrinkles will be noticeable to anyone inspecting the drone. It's highly recommended that we get a picker, just like the box cutter blade, to be used when picking up the sticker from sheet. Just make sure we're not going to cut unnecessary parts of the stickers, otherwise it might be visible and might leave some wrinkles and deformities. So we make sure that we press hard the stickers down to the drone surfaces, massaging around the corners and constantly rubbing gently and smoothly all wrinkles and deformities. When sticking a piece of sticker beside the previous sticker already settled on the surface, we make sure that there's no gap between the two stickers. That way there will be no visible bare surfaces not covered by the wraps. By the way, I bought this wrap from Amazon Australia online. I'll post the online link from the description below. Some parts of the stickers are difficult to remove from the sheet, so it comes handy when you got the box cutter. The trick on picking up the sticker is to get under the sticker at the end bit of it by prying it up and let your fingers do the rest. Yes, we should let our fingers do the working. Make sure we got good dexterity, no sweaty fingers, no shakes. We just make sure that when pulling out the wrap sticker from the white sheet, we should slowly pull it off, making sure that it's not going to tear off the sticker. As what the saying goes, patience is virtue. Yes, we make sure we got extra heaps of patience to do this whole process. When you see some wrinkles or bubbles under the sticker, don't hesitate to reposition by pulling out the sticker. Don't settle for any deformities. You can readjust the placement several times until you get it right, and you can clearly see that placement is much better. Then frequently rub it off in long strokes, the wrinkles or bubbles in one direction, until the surface appears to be smooth and wrinkle-free. By the way, I changed my DJI Neo's default propellers to Gemfan D51-5. I heard a lot of good things about Gemfan D51-5. They said it produces lesser noise and gives Neo better maneuverability. I bought them from Amazon Australia. I'll put the online link at description area below of this video content. The instructional sheet is user-friendly. Each part of the sticker is numbered accordingly and has corresponding area on the drone surface where those parts will be placed. So definitely you will not get confused where to place. Alright, we are almost there. We just have to stretch our patience in doing the whole process accordingly. On the side note, while we are finishing the drone wrap, did you know that choosing the DJI Neo as an entry point into the FPV, first-person view, pathway, offers several compelling advantages beyond its affordability and beginner-friendly design. Here are some personal preferences and reasons why I'd recommend it. Number 1. Ease of use with advanced features. The DJI Neo combines simplicity with advanced features, like manual flight controls, compatibility with DJI Goggles 3 and the Motion Controller 3. These tools make the transition from basic drone flying to immersive FPV experiences smooth and intuitive. Number 2. Durability and build quality. DJI is renowned for its robust design, and the Neo is no exception. Its compact size and durable build make it more forgiving in crashes, which are inevitable when learning FPV skills. Number 3. Exceptional camera quality. The Neo's camera delivers sharp, stabilized footage, allowing you to experiment with cinematic shots while honing your flying skills. It provides a professional quality output that elevates even beginner-level footage. Number 4. Flight modes for gradual skill building. With flight modes like normal, sport, and manual, the Neo allows you to gradually progress to advanced FPV flying. This gradual approach ensures you build confidence and skill without feeling overwhelmed. Number 5. Portability. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to carry, whether for a quick practice session or a scenic FPV adventure, providing more opportunities to fly and improve your skills. Number 6. Community and resources. The popularity of DJI products means there's a wealth of tutorials, community forums, and troubleshooting guides available online, making it easier to learn and find support. In summary, the DJI Neo is not just a starter drone, it's a well-rounded, feature-packed platform that sets you up for success in the FPV world, blending fun, safety, and the potential for professional-level output as you progress. The difficult part of the drone to stick on the wrap stickers will be the central frame fuselage for DJI Neo drone. The curves can be tricky and slightly difficult to place the wrap, so we really need extra patience, and great hand dexterity will be a big help. If you manage to the wrap stickers around the curve of bumper guard, but you think it still doesn't look right or goid, you can slightly pull it off gently and readjust until you get it right and aesthetically looks much better. Don't settle down right away on your first placement. You can employ the blunt side of a pair of scissors to push down the wrap stickers into the corners or any deep parts of the drone. The whole thing looks daunting and complicated. Yes, at the start of doing the process, I was scratching my head. Where to start, or which part of the drone should I start placing the wrap stickers? But once I was already starting, everything just went into right places. For me, I chose to start by getting the big parts of the wrap stickers. I'm nearly there. Halfway through the process of wrap sticker application, I finally got the knack of doing it. I gained confidence during the process, and it became easy to do the whole thing. By the way, we make sure to remove the propeller guards when applying the wrap stickers on the fuselage and bump guards. That way, the wrap stickers designated on those areas can be easily applied and stick on the surfaces without any problems or issues. Doing the whole process, it took me 4 hours, including 2 coffee breaks. Caffeine kicks kept me going as it was getting late. The wraps are meticulously appropriated to different areas of DJI Neo. Even each of the base of the motors got designated wrap stickers. We make sure when applying the wrap stickers for the base of the motors they are sticking well and secured. No loose ends. Nearly there. Few bits left. Initially I ordered for the bright red wrap stickers, but the one they sent to me looks like bright orange. I don't know, maybe I'm just colorblind. But halfway through the application of the wrap stickers, I realized that it looks beautiful with bright orange. It would definitely stand out against the backdrop of green foliage and vegetation. Wow, I am near completion. Just few more stickers and I will be done. At the last part of the wrap sticker application process, I will be reinstalling the propeller guards. I mean, I will be swapping the default grey-colored propeller guards of this DJI Neo with orange-colored propeller guards which I bought from Amazon Australia. I will post the online link for this item in the description below. Initially, I did not really plan of getting orange propeller guards, but since I got the bright orange wrap stickers for my DJI Neo, so I decided that I might as well get the orange propeller guards. Wow! Definitely it suits well with body wrap stickers of DJI Neo. It is a perfect match. It looks as though it has been spray painted in a vibrant orange color. I can't wait to let this baby fly with this kind of color. If you have any questions, please feel free to post in the comment section and I will definitely answer them. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.